We are here today to introduce this beautiful product called Bioclear. So Bioclear is very conservative. There is no cutting of the teeth. It's actually adds to the strength of the teeth, and over the long term it's shown to last a lot longer than just traditional composite bonding. There is quite a lot of steps involved, from the preparation, as you can see, which is designed to be flowing so that the filling is actually encased all around and flows into the cavity, as opposed to the traditional one where you have a sharp angle. Now, before the filling can be done, we use a bacteria disclosing solution to show up where the area have bacteria, and then we clean it. This will ensure that the bonding is stronger and adhesive. Also, the material is then put into a heater. This will allow the material to soften and flow better, so that we don't get voids and defects. This is why Bioclear has been shown over the long term to last longer, more stain resistant, and less prone to breakage. So if you're interested, come to 15 Dental at Canleyvale and discuss with us how we can help you rejuvenate your smile.